For several years, Pangnirtung residents have been experiencing warmer than normal weather, but recently they were hit with gusts of 160-kilometer winds and some rain, and those strong winds blew away the sea ice. Madeline Kumatok is a resident of Pangnirtung.
Where our ice fishermen and seal hunters would normally go at this time on the sea ice. But there's no sea ice because of the warm weather we've been having.
Instead, she says the hunters have been going out boating again, and with the full moon affecting the tides, some community members, such as Jessica Appalelu, were able to get clams in the dead of winter.
We picked clams in January for the first time. I got to do what I love doing.
Akpaleluk says they went to the shore by the fish plant to pick the clams, and did not even have to dig to harvest them at times. She says it was not cold at all, and she didn't even have to wear many layers to keep warm. According to Natalie Hazel from Environment and Climate Change Canada, the Baffin Island area has been experiencing weather that has been 20 to 30 degrees warmer than usual for this time of year.
Well, this winter in Nunavut, we should continue to see some above normal temperatures for the next while.
But she says those temperatures could still fluctuate. Caitlin, Joanas, CBC News, Cailtin.